Say goodbye to basic and hello to bold. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Special Edition isn't just an upgrade, it's a total transformation. If you thought the Corolla was just a reliable commuter car, think again. Toyota just flipped the script. This isn't your granddad's Corolla. We're talking sport-tuned suspension, aggressive styling, premium tech, and a special edition badge that actually means something. Buckle up. This is the next-level Corolla you never saw coming. Let's start with the looks. The 2026 Corolla Special Edition has undergone a dramatic makeover. Up front, you've got a reworked front fascia with blacked-out mesh grills, sharp LED headlamps, and aggressive lower air intakes that scream performance. From the side, you'll notice bold new 18-inch matte black alloy wheels, low-profile tires, and an exclusive sport body kit that hugs the lines just right. The stance is wider and lower, giving it a planted, athletic vibe that turns heads, whether you're pulling into a driveway or blasting down the freeway. And around the back, dual exhaust tips, a functional rear diffuser, and smoked-out taillights finish off the look. Add in gloss black badging and an exclusive night ember pearl paint color that shifts in the light, and this Corolla looks unlike anything else in its class. It's bold, it's aggressive, and it's unmistakably modern. Inside, Toyota turned the comfort and tech all the way up. You'll immediately notice the bolstered sport seats with contrast stitching, Alcantara inserts, and special embroidered SES logos. It feels more like a hot hatch than a compact commuter. The dashboard is finished in soft touch materials with subtle carbon fiber style accents. Front and center is a new 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, sharp, vibrant, and customizable. Right next to it, a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest SmartConnect operating system. The whole cabin is lit with ambient LED lighting. A premium JBL sound system delivers crisp, deep audio. You've got wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, and even a power moonroof. Bottom line, this is a Corolla with real interior swagger, but it's not all show. Toyota gave this special edition real performance upgrades. Under the hood is a tuned 2.0-liter dynamic force engine pushing out 196 horsepower. It's quick, responsive, and way more fun than you'd expect. You can pair it with a sport-tuned CVT featuring paddle shifters or go old school with an available 6-speed manual transmission. Either way, the drive is engaging and surprisingly agile. 0 to 60? Under 7 seconds. That's a Corolla we've never seen before. Suspension-wise, it's retuned with stiffer dampers, upgraded sway bars, and a lower ride height. It corners flatter and tighter, with steering that feels more direct. Yet somehow Toyota kept the ride comfortable enough for daily commuting. They really nailed the balance here. And of course, it's packed with the latest safety tech. You're getting Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard. That means adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a predictive pedestrian detection system. There's also a 360-degree panoramic camera system, hands-free parking, assist, and voice-activated climate controls. It feels smart, connected, and safe. Everything you'd expect from a premium Toyota, wrapped in a Corolla badge. So how much is this next-level Corolla going to cost? Toyota hasn't officially dropped pricing yet, but early estimates put the special edition between $29,000 and $31,000, depending on options. Considering the style, performance, and tech you're getting, that's a seriously solid value. Even better? It's exclusive. Toyota is only making 6,000 units worldwide. That means if you want one, you'll need to act fast. This isn't just another trim level, it's a statement piece. The Corolla has always been known for being reliable, efficient, and affordable. But in 2026, it adds something else to the mix: excitement. With head-turning style, upgraded performance, and top-tier features, the special edition Corolla shows us that practical doesn't have to mean boring. So what do you think? Would you drive the 2026 Corolla Special Edition? Drop a comment and let us know. And if you're as hyped as we are about where Toyota is heading, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. This is Lux Auto X, and we're just getting started.